Actually, you know, at this point, just stay there. That's fine. Just as long as you're seated, that's fine. Right there. No more, though. Thanks.
PPO, let's do it. Play pressure, play them.
I will ask you, if you would, over there by the fence, please don't be near that fence.
30 seconds.
Range are go for launch.
Under 2 minutes.
LH2 securing started.
You see the big gray tower by the VB. Look to the left of that, about a hand's width. Low white building, and there's the rocket. And little twin towers between the white building and the
T-minus 1 minute.
building.
Into Starbucks still.
Rock, report range status.
Range green.
Everything's good. Should go. Should go.
T-minus 50 seconds.
Okay. Look to the right. Far right. Look to the far right.
40.
You'll see a big bright orange flame go up here. That's the rocket engine.
35.
Here we go. Far right.
30.
Status check.
Go Delta.
Go NRL 37. Green board.
25.
White locket.
Okay.
20. 15.
Watch the rocket. Watch over there. You'll see a big.
10.
Here we go.
9. 8. 7.
Watch it.
6. 5. 4. We have main engine ignition. 2. 1. And liftoff. Liftoff of the United Launch Alliance. Delta 4 Heavy rocket
There it
carrying
goes.
NROL 37 mission.
There it goes. You're going to hear the rumble here in a little bit. Go Delta.